Oh my God!
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Good morning. Kayo masyadong makatulog baka masyado kayong komportable. Welcome po kayo sa Maynila. Malugod namin kayong tinatanggap, lalong-lalo na ang ating Regional Director and Concurrent Assistant Secretary for Operation, DepEd Central Office, Dr. Jocelyn D.R. Andaya, and OIC Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Joel Torrecampo, at lahat ng mga SDO sa Metro Manila, especially ang aming, I think, pinakamagandang SDO sa buong Metro Manila. Sesya na kayo, love your home. Ang ating SDO Lumeda at sa po ng mga kasama namin sa SDO Manila. At sa lahat ng mga tumakbo dito na contestant, nagpandiin pa. Magaganda ang mga costume nila, talagang naggaya. But I'm happy to receive you in one of our goal, showcasing our goal with regard to building public school in a highly urbanized setting. This is an aspiration of mine when I was young. I am a product of this institution. Dito ko graduate. Ako full-blooded, talaga literal, product of public education system. Elementary, high school, gusto ko na ipaalala sa inyo, baka nakalimutan nyo na. Ewan ko kung may graduate sa inyo ng Tulungan Center. So, mas alam na daycare ngayon. But nung araw, bago ka pumasok sa primary, may early education system. Dito sa kabila, yung nakikita yung God Andres Bonifacio Hospital. Isa former Tulungan Center. At alam ko, yung iba sa inyo dito, tumira din ng Nutriban. Batatling, shoutout ka nila na. Lahat kami na as a matter of sharing, why did we build like this? Because to some individuals say, sobra-sobra naman yung pinagawa. Kanina, si Assistant Regional Director at saka si Assistant Secretary told them, sabi ko ma'am, in a highly urbanized setting, like Metro Manila, as we speak right now, here in Almario, having this event, may batang ipinanganganak. That is a guarantee. At the same time, habang may pinanganganak, wala namang ipinanganganak na lipat. So demand will always catch up. Because that boy or girl 7 years from now, will occupy a space in our public institution. And this is the type of facility that we build that will address, continue to address and confront ahead of time to achieve the universally accepted student-teacher ratio in a classroom. Kasi kami nung araw, although dekada 80 yun, shoutout sa mga batang 80s dyan. Kami nung araw, isang teacher, inabot ko, pinakamarami kami, 50. 50 kami sa isang classroom. Imagine mo 50 makukulit. Imagine mo nasiksikan kayo sa isang classroom. So, sabi ko, no, ako'y nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga taga-lungsod ng Maynila na maging alkalde ng una kong termino. Ang pinangarap ko na kung ano ang natikman ng anak ko, dapat matikman ng anak niyo. Mapalad ang mga anak ko, pinagpala na sila. Hindi nila naranasan yung naranasan ko bilang sala sa buhay. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakaangat ako, minabuti ko silang kapag-aralin sa pribadong paaralan. At napakaganda ng eskwela nila. Xavier School. Pagka tinignan ko, halaga naman, gusto ko, ang pasilidad, and so on. Sabi ko, this I will bring. And here we are today, conducting an event like a showcase to the entire country, particularly a 200 plus highly urbanized city. This may be an inspiration to others to build this way, to build for the future, not for the present alone. Because the tendency of us, including me, gumagawa lang kami pag may problema na. Diba, typical na gawain. Pero hindi. We can build to confront future needs, preparing our public education system to be a part, if not, sa totoo po, modesty aside, mas maganda pa po sa ibang private school. Totoo lang. So now, we can welcome the middle class to send their kids to public school because with better teachers. Now we have a better facility. Now we can compete, but we are for free. See the savings to every single family, the middle class family, and now avail of such facility in a public education system. So that's why I'm very happy to inform you na ito po ay apat. Sa totoo, nag-delay lang po yung isa. Wala po ako ng 3 taon eh. Pasensya na kayo. Pero yung mga taga-magsaysay, matutuwa rin yan. They will have the same thing. So we have Manila Science High School, Rosario Mario Elementary School, and Albert Elementary School. You should visit Albert. To our fellow SDO in Metro Manila, baka makumpinsin nyo rin yung ibang mayor na mabisita. Because sayang, may proof of concept na. It happened already. I-duplicate. Ako naman, hindi ko itong original na idea. Nangopya lang ako. Ang bawal mangopya sa loob ng silid-aralan. Pero sa pagkugobyerno, kapag mabuti naman, at sa tingin mo'y bumabagay sa kultura, tradisyon, bilang isang Pilipino, ang isang programa, ay pwede naman natin kopyahin. Across the street of this building, you will see Binondominium. Just there, above the bridge, natanan niyo kanina malamang papunta to this. Except if you're coming from Nabotas o Malabon o Caloocan. You'll see that housing, that is the in-city vertical housing program. Yung mga nakatira doon ay 30 years na squatter doon sa baba, sa kalsada. And we are going to build for 2026 Binondominium 2. If you're coming from Nabotas, Malabon, Caloocan, you just pass by Condominium 1, Condominium 2. Kung nakita nyo doon sa malapit sa Smoky Mountain. So, these are the things that we copy. Kopya-kopya lang to, copy-paste. Copy-paste in such a way that there is this one guy whom I believe, and we, or them, sorry, not we, Singaporeans should give credit to him. Mr. Lee, all the efforts and challenges, but with strong will, continue building with all the chaos and intriga sa kanya. Madalas ma-intriga si Prime Minister Lee. Pero, look at them now. Through one goal, dreams and aspiration, with the effort of his fellow public servant. Tingnan nyo ang Singapore ngayon kung nasaan sila. They are worse than Mundo 60 years ago. Worse, guarantee you can research it. But through this initiative of creating, building, and investing into MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And the rest is history for them. And, kaya ba natin yun? Pwede ba tayo maging ganon? Of course, that's the only thing that we have right now, is hope. And we must continue to hope. We must continue to believe. We have to anchor on it. Kailangan, alam natin, masasakit ang damdamin ninyo ngayon. Nagkaalim po yung mga puso, isipan, sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon na parang wala na talagang magbabago. Pare-pareho na lang sila. Alam ko, pare-pareho kayo nararamdaman. But, sabi nga, after the rain, there is a rainbow. Sisikat din ang araw sa atin. May panganganak din na maaari produkto ninyo sa inyong silid-aralan that someday will be a better leader, better business, better professionals. So sa mga guro na parito, hold on to it. Huwag na kayong malito sa noise, mag-ingat. We focus. We in Manila, we are focused. No matter how hard it is emotionally with regard to the situation, we don't want to entertain noise. We focus on delivery of what is expected from us as leaders. And I invite all my fellow Manilans, part of the city government, and our contingency in the national government. We must come together. Because if not all of you, maybe some or most of you have a story to tell, have history, or may relasyon sa lungsod ng Maynila. Meron kayong karanasan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Huwag naman na singilin ko kayo ng kaunti. Kung po pwede, lingunin nyo kami kaunti sa Maynila because we, Manilans, we cannot just do it alone. I cannot just do it alone. We include you and encourage you. We have to come together to showcase the capital of the country, wherein during those times, in our younger years, our forefathers look at this city as the land and city of opportunity. That's why they were all here. They thought, ito ang mga pagtataguyod sa buhay nila. And then we must, like that pirate, and give the city to every Manileños and every Filipinos who will come in and out of the city. Na ito ay makapagbibigay sa kanila ng magandang pag-asa o pagkakataon. Again, to all of you here, thank you very much for choosing the City of Manila. Ito ang programa ninyo. Natutuwa kami sapagkat si Luneda, si Superintendent, ako at ang aming school board ay muli namin binalik ang ganitong uri, kahalintulad na gawain sa loob ng paaralan. On December 3, we will have our championship or oratory and other literacy competition. Kasi nung bata kami, puso-puso ang orador. Ang declaration. Nung araw, pinatatayo kami dyan ng teacher namin. Pati lahat ng pihit ng katawan, inaakot mo. Sa kahihiyan, sa takot, sa nervyos. But I think, instead of all other technologies, yes, we have to do technologies, but we must continue to believe to really find talents with our students. Gusto namin competition kayo, Metro Manila, palang araw. Magkita-kita tayo sa finals. Oo, kasi gusto namin kita productive competition, tsaka skills and talents. That's why we wanted to build a facility like this in the public education to showcase and continue to be reminded who we are as Filipino. Ipaalala sa mga bata nito ng kultura at tradisyon. At at the same time, ipakita ang galing ng mga estudyante ng pampublikong paaralan. Pirahin nyo, nakapag-produce kayo ng mayo. Special child ako. Hindi, marami pa yan. Because what happened to me can happen to any John Doe's and Mary. Can, because yung imposible, naging posible. So, kaya lagi kong pinapaalala sa mga guro na all one way, continue to believe. Someday, somehow, you will produce more, better individuals and successful. So muli po, ipitawan mo ng mikropono. Hindi, excited ako pag ang mga teacher ang nakakausap ko. Welcome po kayo sa Manila. O di, nakakaya naman. Siyempre, tumusgas yung mga competitors. Ilan ba ang competitors? 12 rin. 15. O siyempre, may mananalo. May matatalo. Ganun ba yun? O sige, nakita ko kasi nagpandini. Napagastos yung mga contestant ninyo. Nakakaya naman. Baka sinabi baka sabihin, walang binisa ang mga bata ng ila. Okay, as a matter of token of appreciation, we appreciate you coming here with all honesty. Mas maganda ang mga pasilidad ninyo na nauna na sa inyong kanya-kanyang distrito or district, no? But I'm happy that you conduct it there. Dito kayo conduct ng ganito. So, dahil 15, ano? O sige, token na lang namin. Yung 15, tikpoposam sila. Ay, paano naman? Pag-tipod na ito ba? Para man niya, yung team, may panchicha sila. Panting. Kaya lagi kayo dumako sa Manila, masarap kami kabanding. Welcome kayo sa Lungsod ng Manila. Maraming salamat po. Pagmanay na kayo. Manila! God bless! Thank you.
Sige, palagpakan natin ang ama ng Lungsod ng Maynila. Tunay na level at ipamani po kayo ng Paaralang Rosario Almay Elementary School. At inahayaan po namin ang lahat for your quick photo opo dito. Napakaaga naman ang pamasko ng tag-iisa natin Lorette! Sabay-sabay natin sabihin na, Merry Christmas! And now, partners, malapit na tayo sa photo op with our distinguished guests and delegates.
Yes, partner.